everybody, my name's Caroline and thank you so much for tuning in to our first ever vlog. So the reason we're keeping these videos is that I've joined a team with a bunch of mates and we're trying to enter the Global Space Balloon Challenge 2015. So that basically means we've got 4 months in which to build a space balloon. Now, none of us have ever made anything like this before, so we thought it'd be really fun to keep a series of videos so we can track our progress. And we'd really love it if you would join us on our journey.
So you may be wondering, what actually is a space balloon? Well, it's traditionally an unmanned balloon and you fill it with either helium or hydrogen gas and you use it to then float the balloon up above the Earth's surface. And so we're taking part in an international challenge competition where we have to build a balloon capable not only of reaching a fairly high altitude, but also one that can take photographs whilst it's up there. And if we really want to challenge ourselves, one that might be able to take some kind of experimental measurement. The individual components needed to make your space balloon actually aren't too expensive. But obviously we still needed some money to help get us off the ground, and that's where a brilliant competition comes in called FameLab. Now, if you've not heard of FameLab before, it's an opportunity to get up on a stage and talk for 3 minutes about something in science and engineering or maths that really interests you. Now, you can't use slides, but you can use any prop that you can carry up with you. And I took part in some regional heats and managed to win my way through to the UK final. And I was really lucky in that I won the national final, and that meant some prize money. And so we're going to put the prize money towards our balloon build. Our core team is made up of 3 mates, Jez, Chris and myself, and we're all scientists or engineers by training. But I'd like to say again, none of us have ever attempted to build a space balloon, so we may be about to video log a complete disaster. Fingers crossed it won't be.
Hi everyone, so I'm back again. Thank you very much for watching our first video. Hopefully now you know a little bit about our team and what we're trying to do. In the next video I'm going to go through some of the components and you guys can start to track our progress as we try to build our first balloon. And at some point I'm also going to introduce why we're calling our balloon Auguste. But in the meantime, if you want to keep tracking our progress, I'm going to try to remember to put things out on Twitter and I'll pop the link up at the end of this video. And hopefully some of you might come back and I'll see you again soon.